Hello, welcome to another nature video. This one's about the forest and the woods. We're at the Baba's house, and I want to tell you all that everything is so green because there's leaves, grass. So you can find animals, and I've been learning about animals a lot from Wildcraft, so you might all know this. I have to tell you that deers and foxes and all sorts of stuff like that live in the woods. So it's a good chance of looking when you're at the Baba's house, looking in the woods for that stuff. So I have to tell you that animals are important to woods and woods are important to animals. So nature, bye-bye. I hope you like this show.